Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2025 Can-Am Defender Max Limited. We've just installed a ton of accessories on this one. Want to do a walk around, show you a little bit about what we've done. Start off right on the front. We do have a lot of lighting on this one. On the left-hand side here, we've got the side shooters. Very nice. We've got those angled out direction to give that customer the side lighting going down the trail, as you see. We have the 15-inch light bar from Can-Am, very nice and bright light bar. We installed that on most of the vehicles that leave Big Pine Sports. Up top, we've got that upper bar from Rough Country. We do a lot of these on the Defender Limiteds as well. Very nice looking bar. Installation is a breeze. Love, love, love that. And you can see the RYCO Street Legal Kit flashing there. We've also tied in the 5150 rock lights and lighted whips to the turn signals. They just timed out, as you saw there. Let me show you how they work. So with the RYCO Street Legal Kit, down will be left. You got indicator lights up on the dash letting you know those are on. You'll see the rock lights as well as the whips flashing that amber color on the front and the back. Very nice, very nice. We've got the Can-Am mirrors on there. We love the Can-Am trucker mirrors, as we refer to those. We have the Peak Designs phone mount. Now with this phone mount, this is something we came up with. We use the stem motorcycle mount for this from Peak. Backup camera, very nice, very nice. We have all of the under-seat storage on this one. Centers, outside, underneath the driver's seat, all the goods are on there. Of course, we got all your rocker switches and everything for the lights. With the 5150s, they're controlled with an app. You can see that the rock lights are doing the same thing that all of the whips are doing. In the back, we did all of the under-seat storage bins on these. Guys like to use this center one as a trash or as a cooler. Very nice, very nice. We also installed the nets here in the back for the little kiddos in the back. Throw some snacks, some jerky, some sunflower seeds. It's very nice that way. We also installed the sport fender flares on this, on the front and the back. Adds a nice look, gives it a little more mud protection. We've got the Can-Am cargo box in the back. Cup holders up top. Very big, massive storage containers, you can see. Goes all the way through. We love that from Can-Am. On the back, we've got the Rough Country bumper, as well as backup lights. They are controlled separately with a switch up on the dash. With the trucker mirrors, they do fold in and out of the way, as you see here, going down the trail, smack a tree, pulling in somewhere tight. You can fold that in and out of the way. Oh, I almost forgot. We did do heated seats also in the front. We didn't do it in the back on this one, but we did do it on the front. Very nice, cool build. This one, it's heading out of state. I'm gonna try to talk to the new owner and see if he'll let me do an interview with him about why he picked the Defender and why Big Pine Sports. 435-427-3338. Give us a call, shoot us a text, check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. We've got everything Can-Am Defender Max Limited in stock. We do currently have, as the date of this video, Defenders ready to roll. We do a lot of pre-builds like this one, and it turned out sweet. Have a great day, everybody.